A very small drop of bleach splashed into my eye about 3 hours ago. I washed my eye with both saline and water, mostly saline, at first for about 5 minutes, then went back about 5 times and washed it again and again with an eye cup and more saline. At present the eye is a red and feels scratched. My vision is a little bit blurry. I'm trying to go on vacation in the morning, and hoping that I don't need to spend the night in an emergency room.
Hello, thank you for the question. I am Dr. A. S. Desai and I look forward to assisting you. Are you available for chat now? You have already done the most important thing, which is giving an eye wash.
Yes.
They would have done the same thing at the ER too.
Okay, I wasn't.
There is likely to be inflammation in the superficial layers, thus causing redness.
I washed really worried, until I read some scary things online. My vision is only a tiny bit blurry at the moment.
Keep putting lubricating eye drops such as Refresh Tears, 1 drop every 3 hours while awake. The vision is very likely to be back to normal once the inflammation subsides.
Okay, thank you. So there's no need at present to go to the ER? Are there any changes, which, if experienced, would cause alarm?
Just watch out for persistence of redness, blurring of vision and pain in the eye even after 2 to 3 days. If so, then it is better to get the eye examined by an ophthalmologist. The eye is very likely to be absolutely fine in the morning and you should be able to go ahead with your vacation plans. However, continue with the lubricating eye drops.
Okay, I do have a soothing eye cream that a doctor prescribed last year, when I scratched my eye while gardening. It contains an antibiotic, I think. Would this be helpful?
No, an antibiotic eye ointment would not be of much help.
Okay, I'll use the drops. Much thanks, goodbye.
If you need more help, please use the reply tab to continue our conversation. Thank you and best wishes. It was a pleasure to have answered this question. Views expressed are for information purpose only and cannot substitute a visit to an ophthalmologist. Goodbye.
Okay.
Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. Hi, I'm just following up with you to see how everything is going. How is your eye now? Is the vision clear now? Did my answer help? Let me know, Dr. A. S. Desai.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.